Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on your computer. To get started, you'll need an Android emulator, which is a software application that mimics an Android device on your PC. This allows you to run mobile games and apps directly on your desktop or laptop. Using an emulator offers a much larger display and the convenience of keyboard and mouse controls, enhancing your gaming experience significantly. There are several reliable options available, and most are completely free to download and use. Choosing the right emulator is your next step. Some of the most widely used and highly recommended options include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Each offers a stable platform for gaming. Once you've made your selection, navigate to its official website to download the installer file. The installation process is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Remember to check your computer's specifications to ensure it meets the emulator's minimum requirements for optimal performance. With your emulator successfully installed, it's time to get Clash of Clans. First, launch the emulator from your desktop. You'll see an interface that looks very much like an Android tablet or phone. Locate and open the Google Play Store icon, which is usually prominent on the home screen. In the Play Store, use the search bar at the top to find Clash of Clans. Once you find the game, simply click the Install button to download and set it up within your emulator. Now you're ready to play. Open Clash of Clans directly from the emulator's home screen. If you already have an account, make sure to log in with your Supercell ID to sync your existing game progress. For the best experience, explore the emulator's settings. You can often allocate more RAM or CPU cores, which can significantly improve game performance. Also, customize your keyboard mapping to assign specific actions to keys, making your gameplay much more efficient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.